Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be a maintenance vlog. Just a minute. Anyway, sorry for the background noise because it is Sunday and everybody is home today. Today is Sunday. As you can see, I did these nails last week on Sunday, and I've started doing my own nails. Yeah, so today I'm going to wash, blow dry, style my hair, then after I'm going to change my nails. I love this color, don't get me wrong, and it's still pretty new, but I want something simple. I feel like this is so flashy for me. I do it once in a while, not all the time, and I feel like this month I've done it twice, so we are changing that. I just want like very simple natural look, so that's what we are doing. So I'm going to wash my hair, but coming back to blow dry and style it right here. Let's get into it, because as I said, today I'm off and the whole week I will be working, and I kind of do like 2 shifts, double shifts, so I have to prepare myself for the whole week. Like my hair has to be done, my nails have to be done, you know the drill. So yeah. Oh, and if you did not notice, my braces are off, you guys. I'm so happy, and like it looks so good. Like getting rid of those braces was the best thing that ever happened to me. I don't even know why I had braces. Why? But anyway. I just got done. Oh my god. Does it fit? I just got this one because I don't know why this shit keeps bending, bro. I'm tired. I want to heal. Okay. I'm going to be using these. It's heat protecting. I'm thinking maybe I don't know how to style it, but let's first blow dry it, then I'll think about the rest later on. So okay, so I decided what I want to do with my hair. I'm not going to hot comb it, but I'm going to twist it or like braid it in 2. Then tomorrow when I'm going to work, I'm going to unbraid it and it will look cute, because actually that's one of my favorite hairstyles. So usually I feel like prepping myself for the week, for work, for anything helps me a lot, and it's time manageable. Like today I'm off and I can do everything, but when it comes to like when I'm getting ready for work and all that, if my hair is washed, dried, it makes it easier for me to like style my hair, which I like so much, and my hair looks so healthy, man. It's so cute. I'm done with this side. I think it took me around 10 minutes, and 10 minutes this side. I'll be in total 20 minutes, because I have to do my nails. As I said, I really want to change the color, and I want this natural cute pink. It's usually my favorite color. It's my go-to, I feel like. And maybe I'll try to design, because this is the first design I ever tried last time, and I just want to try if I can do French tips on me. Let's see. Okay, let's braid it in two. Okay, I'm going to braid this side exactly the same way. You know, this, when you unbraid it the next day, it's like curly. I'm going to add how it's going to look like at the end of the video. So, trust the process. Okay, so I'm done. Let's go off and do my nails while we just with my parents and take some coffee because they are making a Sunday coffee. That's sad. No, you can tell her I will come myself. You guys, I'm done with my nails. and I'm just so happy with the progress that I'm doing. Like this is my third time doing my own nails at home, and bro, okay, I understand when in my sister's, like I did for my sister and it looks like so beautiful. I understand what I do for my sister and it's beautiful because it's not on my hands, but to do on my hands and it turns out good, what do you mean? Like, I love this. Anywho, sorry for the background noise again, you guys, we are too many. Anyway, when I tell you I'm so proud of me, I'm so damn proud of me. Like, I liked the maroon one, but I wanted something simple, something easy, something that would not disturb me, something classy. And I like the shape. I like everything about the nails. I'm happy. So the video will be continued tomorrow because I have to unbraid and show you guys how good my hair will look tomorrow. I'm ready for work, so let's first close my bedroom. I'm ready for work. Don't mind my dark eyeshadow because I wanted to try something new. So unbraid this. Looks so good. Do you see how healthy and bouncy my hair looks? It's given. And it makes it so much easier for me to style my hair when I blow dry and wash and blow dry prior to my work time. Like, let's not forget about the magical nails I did yesterday. Proud of me, what to say? Okay, and hair is giving. Should I do this? I'll just leave it open like that. Okay guys, that was all. See you on the next vlog. I hope you like my hair. I can share my hair routine, which I already did. I have like 2 videos about my hair up, but I can still do another one because it's my favorite video to work on. And yeah, that's all for today, and next time will be my nail vlog. This was pretty cute. What do you mean I can do this at home? What do you mean? I guess you guys love you.